Have you seen the ghost ship?
It wasn't there before, and we've just seen a ship in the distance.
So, good afternoon, I guess. We're starting the vlog out late, but I filmed other footage today, so it's not really late. First announcement of the day, these glorious bastards hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. So everybody go down. Everybody go down in the comments and congratulate them for doing the thing.
Yes.
Thank you very much. We got some other...
They're very excited.
Enjoy your swimming.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
As I mentioned in the last vlog, or the day before yesterday, I mentioned we'd be coming back here again to actually go down to the waterfall. Last time we didn't get to go to the waterfall because it was too late. Today we're going to go down to the waterfall. And what else are we doing today? We're going to have an amazing sunset cruise, which is going to be really beautiful. Yes.
Tomorrow.
And we're going to have some Filipino street food. Who loves Filipino street food?
Me.
Yeah?
Me. And we will doing down there double backflip.
Double black.
Yeah.
Okay.
You?
Yeah, together with me.
Together?
Ship.
Lights. These are lights. We go there tonight, and because it's disappeared.
It disappears?
So usually when I walk down a lot of steps like this, my knees tend to start hurting. But for some reason in the past few days, my knees have been so good, can't even feel them. I wonder why. What are you saying to the waterfall?
It's lovely, it's very busy. I think we came a Friday at lunchtime is a bad time to come to a waterfall, we've learned.
Yeah.
And I was saying to George, it was so quiet when we came here the other day, then I was like, oh yeah, that's because it was closed.
Yeah.
But the colour of the water,
It's beautiful.
the surroundings, the trees.
So nice.
Such a nice, it's amazing that this is just natural.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it looks like they've tipped some like food colouring into the water.
Right.
So nice.
Yeah. How about you? You want to go in the water?
I think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Should be refreshing.
Oh! She just slipped. Okay, maybe I'm not going. Just kidding. No, I'm really I mean, it depends how cold it is.
Thank you so much.
You remember how to say goodbye in German?
Tschüss.
Tschüss, Pfirssi.
See, don't fall. Nelly, the boat is leaving. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey, earthquakey.
So we're in for a big treat now. We're gonna take this little dinghy out to the big cruise boat back there.
Oh yeah, it looks nice.
And we're gonna be cruising into the sunset.
Into the cloud.
Into the cloud set. into the onset of clouds.
Over there. Hi. Say hi to the vlog. Cheers. Cheers. Mike, would you like to?
They're pilots.
Yeah.
Well, two of them are pilots. So I instantly like them. Yes. I'm a huge flying fan, so I gotta like pilots.
Yeah. So George and Lucy hit 100,000 subscribers today. We are kind of finishing off this amazing trip here on the boat, and I think the next stop is Siquijor Festival in Siquijor. I'm very curious to see what this is going to be like. It's, I would say, more a local thing, so I'm very looking forward to this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you on your next trip. Thank you. Bye bye.
So George, how was your boat ride?
Amazing, so much fun. More fun than I expected us to have this evening. We met some new people, had a few drinks. Well, you guys didn't, but we had a glass just to celebrate.
Yeah, you deserved it.
Really good fun.
Yeah,
How did you enjoy it, Nelly?
I think we took a picture and you can see that we were like, our happiness level was 100.
Yeah.
So that was really amazing. Shout out to the people from Coco Grove.
Yeah.
Such an amazing experience.
Have you seen the ghost ship?
Have we?
George.
It just, I swear to God, it wasn't there before, and we've just seen a ship in the distance.
You can only see a shape. There's no, like, it's... Oh, what happened?
After that's the truth, it's football.
Oh, yeah.
Very nice, thank you.
Welcome back to land.
Oh, we're back.
It is actually the next day, and yes, I forgot to close the vlog again yesterday because we were just having too much fun. We actually checked out the Coco Grove resort and took a flight from Siquijor to Cebu. We're actually here to celebrate Sinulog, so be sure not to miss out on the vlogs that are coming today and tomorrow. They're really gonna be awesome, and I'm so excited for them. But before I say goodbye and good night for today in this vlog, I just would like to mention that we really enjoyed our stay at the Coco Grove. It was phenomenal. The staff, the property, the whole vibe was just so nice. We felt so welcomed, and it was so happy spending these 2 days in Siquijor at the Coco Grove Resort. For now, I'm going to close the vlog and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you enjoyed this one, hit the thumbs up. Comment down below if you believe there is a ghost ship in Siquijor or not. I'd like to know your opinion on that. Be sure to check out George and Lucy's video from this day. Also go over and congratulate them for hitting 100k on YouTube. See you next time. Thank you for tuning in. And oh, don't forget to follow us on Instagram. We still have the giveaway going on for you guys that follow us on Instagram and shoot us a message with the hashtag InstaDinner. We're going to invite 5 of you guys. Something going on. 5 of you guys to a dinner in Manila, so do it right now. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.